Hey everyone, it's Jordan, and today in my level 1 class, my students asked a really great question. They asked, what are vowels and what are consonants? Vowels and consonants are just different types of letters from the alphabet. Vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, and U. Consonants are all the other letters in the alphabet. Knowing the difference between vowels and consonants is pretty important. Knowing vowels and consonants can help you to read better. It can also help with your pronunciation. And lastly, it can help with your spelling. Check out my video on Thursday when we talk about the simple past. You will need to know the difference between vowels and consonants for that lesson. So, I'll see you then.